Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. I'm going to try and bring a regular update on XRP. You know, I did the video the other day, super bullish on XRP. We was anticipating a pullback. We made the video at the right time because we did get that pullback. We didn't quite come back to where we was hoping, to be honest with you. Probably a little bit exuberant on that pullback, but we did say potentially it could come down to the daily 20 EMA there, and lo and behold, that's exactly where it came down to. So that was fantastic. You know, I've not got a crystal ball, but I could see that XRP was basically struggling and it needed to come back to a key level of support, and it found that. Okay, I was anticipating a pullback to the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame, but you know what, I think I'm a little bit optimistic with that, to be fair. It would be nice to see it come down, obviously get that real good test of support there, but I may have been a little bit optimistic and hold my hands up, because right now we are forming a very nice pattern, and as you can see, we're getting supported off this daily 20. So in the future, when you see something getting really overextended, okay, do always zoom out and target these EMAs as key levels of support, because if you'd have put some cheeky bids in down there on XRP as it was falling, okay, you would currently be up roughly 17%, okay, with a projection to more upside. So that's what you do. You always zoom out. Like I said to you, when you see things going up and overextended, always anticipate a pullback to the EMAs, especially a 20, and if it holds, it's golden, okay. And right now XRP has gone up, it's bounced off the 20 on the daily. Beautiful, that's what I wanted to see. It's getting far too overextended, and it's had the cool down and the correction that we've been anticipating. So it's all good, but right now on the 4-hourly time frame, you are currently under the EMAs, okay, which is not necessarily a good thing, but you are still in an uptrend on the 4-hourly EMA, because on the 4-hourly EMA here, you formed a bullish cross way back then on the 16th of March, okay, so well over a month ago, you got a bullish cross on the 4-hourly EMA for XRP. That's how strong it is, okay, and I still believe in XRP's strength. I really do. I still believe it's going up to them projections that we've outlined in previous videos for XRP, okay. So all I'm doing is bringing this a level of assurance and support to yourself about XRP. Golden, going up, back testing, fell through, but you got supported, back testing. Look at that impulsive wave there, fell back on support just there, and just there you fell back on support, got a little bit overextended, hence the rollover in the correction, which was much needed. So right now you're looking that you've got a lovely level of support off that 20 EMA on the daily time frame there, bounced off it, and right now on the 4-hourly time frame, you've got some beautiful little patterns on the go here, and I'm going to show you exactly what they are, okay. You've got almost a golden cross on the MACD that's forming. Do you see this? Now if that starts to form, you're looking for a real nice push to the upside, okay. And also the RSI now is looking really healthy on the MACD for the 4-hourly. Look at that, right down there, just ready to start curl and start to go upwards. You was really oversold here, okay, basically in the floor. You was really overbought up there, basically in the roof, okay. And they're always good signals, not financial advice, but within themselves they're good signals to say, right, overextended, overbought, I'm going to exit, and I'm going to wait till it goes in the floor, and I'm going to enter again. And it can be that simple, okay. And a lot of people do look at the RSI as an in and out thing. So I'm oversold, I'm waiting for the recovery, yeah, I'm going to go in now. I'm overbought, I'm waiting for the blow off top, wait for it, sell obviously, and then buy again on a reversal. And that can be how easy it can be. Right, so right now I want to reassure you that XRP is looking really strong, okay. It is actually looking really strong, and I'll tell you why. You're still in an uptrend on the 4-hourly EMAs, okay. You've back tested that support and kissed it beautifully on the daily time frame there, so it's got that golden support, and it looks like now it's ready to march on, and I'll tell you why. Because you're forming a nice pattern here, okay. This is actually a nice pattern. You've come down, you've made a bottom, you've got the reversal, and what you're doing now, you've come down, you're getting wicked up here, okay. You're getting a lot of buying pressure stepping in for XRP. You've got 13 minutes for this to close, but if that closes like that, that's a very bullish candle, okay, and it means that you're forming a higher low on this reversal. And this is something else I want to tell you about. I'll always be truthful with you in this channel, okay. That's a higher low. You've made a low and you've come down, you're making a higher low, so it means you're ascending to some kind of uptrend. Do you see that? And it's effectively a reversal. But you've got a couple of patterns in here, right? You've got this kind of pattern here that you might start adhering to, which is a kind of ascending triangle type thing. Because what you've done, when you've formed your bottom, you've come back up, you've created a resistance level here. Do you see this? And at the minute you see you can't get through it. Okay, you can't get through it. So you're acting as resistance. You're falling back on this ascending triangle now, which is acting as support almost. You see this? And what you could potentially start doing is getting tight like this before you break out. And potentially that breakout could be to the upside, but obviously it could equally be to the downside. That's where you have to look at other factors coming into play. That's why we're anticipating that bullish cross on the MACD there, because if you get that bullish cross on the MACD and not the repel, because obviously this can repel and roll over, if you do get the bullish cross on the MACD, that's going to like a little signal to say you're going to break through that level of resistance and you're going to march on. Because if you do march on, you've got a target out of that, okay, and the target is this. So you could get a lovely little upside for XRP, pushing you up to like $1.80. And I would expect that if XRP did do that, its reversal's over, its correction's over, that wave, that big wave 2 of the Elliott wave theory that we're anticipating there has come into play, and XRP will start and form that third wave that we've been targeting in the Elliott wave theory. So that would be golden for more upside for XRP in this alt season that we're in. So yeah, I'm just bringing this update video on XRP. This is a really critical time, and I do like this pattern that we've formed here. I really do like this pattern. I'm going to be truthful with you, because not only is it an ascending triangle, it's also another pattern that I like to see in reversal, a W double bottom like that, okay? So that's good. It's good. If we can now not make a lower low than this, okay, and we do come down, sort of bounce now and come back up and test this resistance line of XRP, of this particular level here, 149, and you start to see us get above that and close above that and back test the support, something like this, okay, where you come back up, hit it, and then back test the support, you would be looking at a lovely little pump there for XRP up to that sort of level right there for XRP, 179, 180, and that effectively is a really nice little trade right there for XRP of around 20%. So it's all golden, providing we now can conform to this, okay, and not break down anymore and start to form lower lows. You've got this lovely recovery pattern on the go for XRP. So it's all good. It's all good, okay, all good. We've had the correction, we've pulled back the wave 2, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Didn't quite come down to the level that I was anticipating, but you know, we've not got a crystal ball in this channel, and again, this is why this is not financial advice, and this might not play out, but it's just patterns that we target and see after years and years of charting and trading experience here in the channel. So far so good. Big thumbs up to XRP. It looks like it's on the road to recovery. Do take care, everybody, and obviously again, I'll just drop this target in here. You can't afford to see XRP break down any lower than this, okay? Let's get that. You can't see XRP fall any lower than that, because then that invalidates this move, and then if it was to sort of fall any lower than that, then there's only one other reversal pattern that we could potentially target, and that is like further down the line where it does come down, loses that, creates a low, comes back up, creates another low like this, and then effectively creates an inverse head and shoulders, which is another reversal pattern, which is actually a greater potential pattern to the upside, which is something like this, okay, you know, where you do go up and smash that all-time high. But that is like a longer drawn out sort of pattern that we could anticipate if you was to get any lower. But yeah, do keep an eye on XRP. So far so good. I love this wick. I love this candle here. This shows enormous confidence in XRP, pushing it up. And don't forget, we are still in an uptrend on the 4-hourly EMAs there. We're in a bullish cross. So come on XRP. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.